Okay, we're on video though.
Woo!
People could hear you, don't say anything.
Let's do this thing. Are we going around the pattern first and then going somewhere?
Nah, we'll probably just go somewhere.
Yay!
See where we're gonna go though. But first, let's get all the radios up.
Tower information, Foxtrot 1556 Zulu, wind 360 at 14, gusting 20, visibility 10. Sky conditions, few clouds at 3,500, 16,000 scattered, ceiling 25,000 broken, temperature 2 dew point -7, altimeter 3012. Visual approaching use, landing and departing runway 6. Notice to airmen, obstruction tower 583 feet, MSL 3.7 miles west, northwest, lighthouse service. Use caution, birds on and in the vicinity of the airport. All departures except close traffic contact clearance delivery on 121.85. Wise on contact the this information, Foxtrot.
Do I have to be silent?
Yeah, when we're taking off, you have to be silent.
Okay, just tell me when. Then I'll be like. As an example. What's the plan?
I think we're gonna go to Waterbury.
Where is that?
It's
Connecticut?
north of us. Long Island clearance, 3544 Golf.
So 3544 Golf for Long Island clearance.
I'd like a northbound departure, 3500, going to Oxford. We have Foxtrot.
That was 3500?
3500, yeah.
So it's a 44 Golf on departure, flight runway heading, maintain at or below 2000 till advised. Departure frequency 118.0, squawk 4223.
Okay, flyway runway heading out of below 2000, departure 118.0, squawk 4223.
So it's a 44 Golf, read back correct, 19.3 for taxi. Have a good day.
Have a nice day. Okay, so now we got our clearance. Put our
This is 929, contact departure.
walk code in here.
929, good day, sir.
Going for real now?
Yep.
Okay, good.
Long Island Tower, 3544 Golf's ready to taxi to the wide portion for the run-up. We got Foxtrot.
44 Golf, what is your position?
We're at Mid-Island.
4 Golf, see run up at a wide portion of Golf advice complete.
44 Golf will run up at the wide portion, will advise. Long Island Tower, 3544 Golf's ready to go.
44 Golf, taxiway 6 intersection Alpha 1.
Could we get the full length, 44 Golf?
44 Golf, taxiway 6, full length. Your top 5 short runway 6, clear to land.
Okay, well, this is the part where you gotta be quiet, okay?
Okay if I take pictures or no?
Just, you can take pictures, but don't lean forward.
Okay.
Now we're 3544 Golf holding short, runway 6.
3544 Golf, runway 6, clear for takeoff, wind 36012.
Clear for takeoff, 3544 Golf. Okay, you got your seatbelt on?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, ready?
Number 3 at Takeoff, are you ready upon reaching?
Ready
pound reaching 93 Alpha Fox.
93 Hotel Fox, runway 6 cleared for takeoff.
Clear takeoff, runway 6, 93 Alpha Fox.
Number 2438 Sierra, couple sets of departures off runway 6, prior to arrival, runway 33 left, clear to land.
2438 Sierra, searching for traffic and clear to land, thanks.
44 Golf, contact departure today.
Over to departure, thanks. Departure 3544 Golf's out of 700 for 2000.
3544 Golf, radar contact, climb to 3,500, 1 minute class Charlie.
3544 Golf.
Now, the report to field 3544 Golf, turn left on course to Waterbury, Oxford.
Turning left, 3544 Golf.
Longtail 2, radar.
How you doing, Lil?
Can I talk?
Yeah.
Piedmont 4180.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen. And what is that lake?
That's Lake Ronkonkoma.
Oh my god.
Okay, you want to fly over the house?
Yeah?
Okay.
Did I text Emma?
Well,
I told her we were gonna fly over. I think the most amazing thing is you can just look out and see the horizon and how it just fades out. Where is it?
Cessna November 94138, VFR request.
what? It's right under us on the left.
November 3544 Golf, contact New York approach on 124.07.
12407, thanks.
Is that?
New York approach 3544 Golf, associated at 3500.
Cessna 3544 Golf, New York approach. The Oxford altimeter is 3010.
3544 Golf.
Is this Port Jefferson Harbor?
Yes, that's Port Jeff Harbor, yep.
There's the ferry.
You can talk now, Lil.
Okay. Why couldn't I before?
Because I was trying to talk to the controller.
Okay. Are we gonna land there or just turn around?
No, we'll land.
Yay! No wonder you love flying so much. This is amazing.
So right ahead of us, see down there is the Port Jeff ferry?
And then we saw one leaving on the other side.
Yep. And straight ahead is Bridgeport. That's where we go in with the ferry. On the left side, you see Bridgeport?
No, 3544 Golf, traffic 12 o'clock and about 2 southwest on 3000 indicator.
354 for Golf's looking. Oh, we have the traffic inside 354 for Golf.
Thank you.
The airplane?
Is that like a form of air traffic except it's not traffic because it's nowhere near you?
Yes. Yeah, we're going right over Bridgeport Airport. That's the airport right down there. See Bridgeport right in front of us?
That's so cool.
See it?
Yeah.
November 3544 Golf, traffic 1 o'clock and 2 miles northbound 2,500.
354 for Golf's looking. Uh, 354 for Golf, no joy.
3544 Golf, you still off your 12 to 1 o'clock, 1 mile northbound at 2,500.
354 for Golf has the airport.
Number 3544 Golf, traffic still 1 o'clock, less than a mile at 2,500.
Roger. 354 Golf. Approach 354 Golf, we change to Oxford frequency.
Number 3544 Golf, score 1200, radar service terminates, let the tower know you're looking for the traffic. 1 o'clock, less than a mile, 2,500.
Oxford Tower, 3544 Golf has X-ray.
Cessna 3544 Golf, Oxford Tower. I understand you're south of the field, is that correct?
We're south of the field, we have X-ray, and I was told there's a We have traffic 1 mile at in front of me at 2500.
I'm not talking to anybody out there, and I don't have radar. I can't assist you. But if there is, it's not in my airspace, or it could be, but I'm not talking to them.
Roger, 3544 Golf.
44 Golf, report a 3 mile final for runway 36 straight in.
We'll report the 3 mile final, 3544 Golf. And, okay, I see it. I got the traffic. I'm going to make a 360.
Roger.
Thank you.
That's the other plane right there. See it?
No.
Actually, Tower 3544 Golf is reestablished.
44 Golf, Roger.
See the airport right in front of us all?
Where? Oh my god. Close.
Number 44 Golf, runway 36, clear to land.
Clear to land, 3544 Golf.
For tower, Grumman 26896, left midfield, downwind for 36.
44 Golf, without delay, taxis at Golf. You're going to the restaurant?
You're going to the restaurant, 3544 Golf.
Without delay, traffic coming up the end of the runway behind you.
We're moving.
Thank you. 896, runway 36, cleared for the option.
Clear for the option, Grumman 26896, runway 36.
We're going to be going back.
Right now?
Yeah.
What? I would...
What?
Hungry.
What?
Can we eat? Or no?
You can get something real quick.
Yay.